Hey buddy, ever wondered why ASTM F838 is the gold standard for validating membrane filters in the biopharmaceutical world? Let's dive into why this test is crucial for ensuring sterile filtration. First off, what's the purpose of ASTM F838? This standard test method determines if a 0.22 EM or smaller membrane filter can effectively remove bacteria from a liquid. If it passes, the filter earns the prestigious title of sterilizing-grade. And guess what? Compliance with FDA 21 CFR 211.72, EMA Annex 1 and ISO 13408. Two hinges on passing this test. Now let's talk about the test organism used. The superstar here is Brevundimonas diminuta, also known as ATCCC 19146. This tiny bacterium measures around 0.3 making it a tough challenge for any filter. Why B diminuta, you ask? Because if a filter can retain this small bacterium, it can handle larger bacteria and spores with ease. So how does the ASTM F838 test procedure work? Step 1. Prepare a bacterial suspension with a high concentration of B diminuta, about 107 CFU/ml. Step 2. Pass this suspension through the test filter under controlled conditions. Step 3. Collect the filtrate and plate it on a growth medium. Step 4. Incubate the filtrate for 5 to 7 days to detect any bacterial growth. Finally, Step 5. Interpret the results. If no bacterial growth is detected in the filtrate, congratulations! The filter is labeled sterilizing-grade. But if bacteria manage to slip through, the filter fails validation and can't be used for sterile filtration. The key acceptance criteria? The filter must completely retain B diminuta at 107 CFU/cm2, and no viable bacteria should be found in the filtrate. The test must also be conducted under worst-case conditions, like maximum pressure and flow rate. Passing ASTM F838 means a filter can be labeled as sterilizing grade, specifically for pore sizes of 0.22 or finer. Regulatory compliance is critical. The FDA 21 CFR 211.72, EMA Annex 1 and ISO 13408. Two all require bacterial retention testing for filter validation. PDA Technical Reports 26 and 40 offer additional guidance on integrity testing. Let's compare ASTM F838 to other filter integrity tests like bubble point, diffusion, and water intrusion testing. While ASTM F838 validates the filter as sterilizing grade in a one-time validation, integrity tests are routinely performed before and after each batch to monitor the filter's condition. To wrap it up, ASTM F838 is essential because it proves a 0.22 EM filter can effectively remove bacteria from pharmaceutical liquids. This ensures the filter meets stringent regulatory standards, making it a key part of filter validation studies before process use. Thanks for watching. Remember, ensuring your filters pass ASTM F838 is not just about compliance. It's about maintaining the highest standards of safety and quality in biopharmaceutical manufacturing.